Welcome to Celebrating Act 2. Celebrating Act 2 is the user manual for the second half of your life.
That is a beautiful, beautiful garment. Now, of course, the iconic green dress of Vivian Lee in Gone with the Wind. What's really iconic is the way that TCM has really worked at digitally mastering all of the great pieces of cinema so that now people can enjoy them more than ever in the highest quality with the best sound, as you can see in The Wizard of Oz.
She says now, Dorothy, dear, stop being mad at these things. You always get yourself into a fret over nothing. Now you just help us out today and find yourself a place where you won't get into any trouble.
Some place where there isn't any trouble. Do you suppose there is such a place, Toto? There must be. It's not a place you can get to by a boat or a train. It's far, far away. Behind the moon, beyond the rain, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby.
For more on Celebrating Act 2, visit our webpage, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and tell your friends. Celebrating Act 2 is the user manual for the second half of your life.